In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Udemy account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to enhance your skills, explore new interests, or simply enjoy learning at your own pace, Udemy offers a vast array of courses designed to fit a wide variety of interests. Let's get started on setting up your account so you can begin your learning journey. First, open up your preferred web browser. Type in udemy.com in the address bar and hit enter. You'll be directed to Udemy's homepage, where you can explore thousands of educational courses long after your account is set up. Now, glance towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Sign Up button. Give it a click, and we're on our way. Next, you'll see the Sign Up screen. A simple and straightforward form. Here, you'll need to enter your full name to begin personalizing your Udemy account. Below your name, type in a valid email address. It's important to use an email that you frequently check, as this will be your primary mode of communication with Udemy, and where you'll receive your course updates, verification codes, and special offers. Speaking of offers, you'll notice a small checkbox asking if you'd like to receive promotional emails from Udemy. If you're interested in staying updated with occasional course discounts and news, feel free to check that box. Otherwise, you can just skip it. Once your information is neatly filled in, look for the Continue button on the screen. A quick click on that button will take you to the next step. Udemy will now send a 6-digit verification code to the email address you provided. This step is quite crucial as it serves to confirm your email, ensuring that you have access to the account you're creating. So, open up your email inbox and keep an eye out for Udemy's message. If you don't see it right away, remember to check your spam or junk folder. It might be hiding there. After receiving your verification code, return to the Udemy website and enter it in the designated field. This confirms your email and helps secure your account. Once you've input the correct code, click the Login button to finalize your account creation. And there you have it. Your Udemy account is now ready to use. You can now explore the educational treasure trove that Udemy offers. From programming to photography, languages to leadership skills, there's a world of learning awaiting you. Enjoy the convenience and flexibility that comes with learning at your own pace and dive into new topics with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.